What I'm going to do for you today, give you back a hairline that is the frame of your face. Once you have that, it's going to change your looks again. It's going to give you back your own identity which you lost at this very young age. So, and then it's a very conservative hairline, number one, because of your young age. So it looks natural, it looks nice. So what I'm going to do is a hairline, and then the frontal area, the mid scalp, and then you do have hair loss at the crown. So I'm going to just do a little bit touch up on your crown area.